Good morning, Metro Detroit. Hey, this is Rich Sparks, the Rich Sparks team of Keller Realty. And if you're anything like me, you love free. So today I'm going to show you how to get this free energy efficiency kit from DTE. I mean, you pay them enough money, you may as well get it for free. So let's check it out real quick, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. One, you're going to go to DTEenergy.com. Now, when I did this, I had to hunt around a little bit for it, so I'm just going to show you step by step. Next, you're going to go into Save Money and Energy. You're going to get this huge drop-down menu. There are all kinds of resources right here for you. Take advantage of them. You may as well. But we're going to go over here, if we can get this puppy to work, to free products you can receive. We're going to click on free products you can receive. Give them feedback later if you want. Norton's wanting me to turn on my VPN. All right. So here are some of the free home energy consolation products that you can get. But we're going to look primarily here at the free home energy efficiency kit. And we're going to open it up and show you what you get. All you're going to do is click on Get My Free Kit. You put in the account holder's first name, last name, street address, city, zip, email, answer a couple of questions. I've already done this, so I can't fill this out. Click submit, and that is about it. And basically, it took, once I did this, it took about 2 to 3 weeks, and I got this in the mail. So let's see what you get. So you get this free box worth of items, and you get some information up here. I'm going to grab. Okay, so you get this free box worth of items. Some of the things that are in it is you're going to get this nice power strip. And this is totally free. You're going to get some DTE night lights. And you're going to get some of these LED light bulbs also. Now, they did say you're going to get some child safety caps. I don't see those. Let's take a look and see if there's anything else in here. And sure enough, underneath, you're going to get DTE child safety caps. Kind of wish they wouldn't have thrown DTE on it, but that's okay. So the other thing you're going to get is just a little card here telling you a little bit what is Michigan Green Power. You can read on that if you like, a little description of the items in the box. So don't miss out. This is one free kit per household while supplies last. This is Rich Sparks, Keller Realty. We want to bring you the best, whether it's real estate services or cool stuff like this. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.